Hey there, coin enthusiasts! Welcome back to our Old Earth coins. Today, we've got something really special to share with you all. We're diving into the intriguing world of numismatics, focusing on the 1970 Washington $quarter coin, rumored to be worth a pretty penny. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a quarter from 1970? Well, let me tell you, this particular coin has quite the backstory. In 1970, the U.S. Mint accidentally struck a small number of quarters with a 1941 Canadian quarter die, resulting in a unique and highly sought-after error coin. Believe it or not, these error coins are extremely rare to find in circulation. Their scarcity, coupled with the historical significance of the mistake, has led to them being highly coveted by collectors worldwide. In fact, some 1970 Washington $quarter coins have been known to fetch thousands of dollars at auctions. So how can you tell if you struck gold with your 1970 Washington $quarter? Well, keep an eye out for any signs of the distinctive design mismatch between the obverse and reverse sides of the coin. If you spot one in your collection, you might just be holding onto a valuable piece of history. This coin's value in market $1 million. Of course, as with any valuable collectible, it's crucial to handle your coins with care and seek professional appraisal if you suspect you stumbled upon a gem. Remember, proper storage and maintenance can ensure that your investment stands the test of time.